I am S.V. Acharya, President Emeritus of Shankar Nethralaya, USA. We are the fundraising arm of Shankar Nethralaya in India, established by Padma Bhushan living legend Dr. S.S. Badrinath. We have been operating in USA since 1988 with the sole objective of raising funds for Shankar Nethralaya, and raised over $1 million each year for the past 7 years with overwhelming support by our 35 trustees spread across USA. As part of our mid-year campaign, we are presenting a virtual flute concert today by Kalaratna Vidwan Sri Flute Nagaraj Talluri. Please enjoy the concert, and also please visit us at www.shankarnetralayausa.org for more information and for making donation. Thank you very much.
Greetings from Shankar Nethralaya, Chennai. India has seen the second wave abating in the past few months, and God's grace, when Shankar Nethralaya is on its way to recovery. The past 2 months have been tough for all of us, but now with the COVID cases on the downswing, our patient flows have gradually increased, and we are happy to inform that we'll be shortly starting our community services in full swing, and our outreach programs in terms of camps and the mobilized surgical camps across the states in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, besides Tamil Nadu, will be commissioned by August. We are extremely grateful to our friends from the US and all over who have pledged their philanthropic support to Shankar Nethralaya in its quest to take care of the preventable blindness not only in Tamil Nadu but across the country. I wish this media campaign with the flute recital by Kalaratna Nagaraj Talluri grand success.
Balari Dindurthi, President, Shankar Nethralaya, USA. Shankar Nethralaya was founded by living legend Padma Bhushan Dr. S.S. Badrinath. Our USA chapter was started by Sri Acharya ji. We have been doing community service for the past 4 decades. For the last several years, we have been receiving for our outstanding community service highest ranking 4-star from Charity Navigator. And also recently Newsweek recognized us we are the best hospitals in the world. This is our second recognition in a row. And also in the recent pandemic, our Shankar Nethralaya staff led by our President Dr. Girish Rao helped many patients in Chennai. So we are doing community service. We need a lot of support from all the philanthropists. I would like to thank all our volunteers, trustees and philanthropists for providing continuous support to help the needy people. Please enjoy the program and visit our website www.shankarnetralaya.org to donate.
Shankara Nethralaya is the best managed charitable hospital in India. In the 1990s, Palkiwala gave away a very large portion of his personal wealth to Shankara Nethralaya to buttress the good work that the institution was doing, built on the pioneering vision for providing quality medical services at very affordable costs to all. Let us bring light into the life of our less privileged citizens.
Kalam garu ముఖ్యంగా శంకర్ నేత్రాలయ వారితో అప్పటికే ఆయన ఉన్నప్పుడు వారితో సంబంధాలు కలవటం మాట్లాడటం అన్ని కూడా చేయాలి. శంకర్ నేత్రాలయతో డిఆర్డిఓ మేము కలిసి ఏ రకమైనటువంటి కొత్త పరికరాలు సామాన్య మానవుడికి అతి తక్కువ ధరలో అందేందుకోసం ఏమి చేద్దాం, ఈ ఏ ప్రణాళికలు మొదలు తీసుకునండి. నేను ముఖ్యంగా ఒక సైంటిఫిక్ టీం ఏర్పాటు చేసి మీతో కలిసి పనిచేసి అవి త్వరగా మనం బయటకు తీసుకుని వచ్చేందుకు ఏ రకంగా మనం చాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా బయటకు తీసుకుని వద్దాం.
This is Srinivas Ganagoni, the Secretary of Shankar Nethralaya USA. On behalf of Shankar Nethralaya, we welcome you all for the mid-year virtual fundraiser. As you know, Shankar Nethralaya is doing a great service to those in need. It is only possible because of people like you who understands and support us. We thank you for your support, and I request you to donate generously this year as well. Please enjoy the devotional flute concert by Sri Flute Nagaraj garu.
Ramkrishnan. I am the treasurer of Sankara Netralaya. Thank you for attending the mid-year fundraising concert. Kindly donate via www.sankaranethralaya.usa.org. Every penny you donate will help a person get his or her vision. It takes only $65 of your donation to help a blind person to regain his or her vision. $650 will help 10 families. We appreciate your contribution to this worthy cause. Thank you.
My name is Soumya Narayanan, one of the Shankara Netralaya volunteer from Washington DC metro region. Shankara Netralaya will be hosting concert of Vidwan Nagaraj Talluri, who is Kalaratna awardee, on July 25th. This concert will be premiered in Mana TV, TV Asia, Sakshi TV, TV5 and US1. This program is part of our Shankara Netralaya mid-year campaign. We sincerely request all of you to support Shankara Netralaya for supporting poor indigent patients. Thank you. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. I am Raja Krishnamurthy, one of the trustees of Shankara Netralaya in the Southern California region. Please support this cause by attending this concert as well as donating generously for this noble cause, as all the funds raised by this charity effort will directly go for the treatment of indigent patients who need a critical eye care all over India. Thank you again.
Ladies and gentlemen, who I am privileged to be addressing now, to you I say and humbly, the task ahead for Shankara Netralaya in Rajarhat, Kolkata is truly monumental. Yet another Netralaya Center of Excellence, dedicated ultimately, as always, to the underprivileged. The moment for you is now to reach out, to share, to give, so that somewhere on some fallen eye, you may hope that a tear well, not a tear of despair, but that of relief and joy. Do remember, we make a living by what we get. We make a life by what we give.
Shankara Netralaya is a non-profit organization to provide total eye care of highest standards to all sections of the community. This concert is a fundraiser for this noble cause. I am honored to be a part of this. I personally thank Sri Bala Indurti Garu, President, Shankara Netralaya, USA, for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Namaste everyone. Thank you for watching. Hoping that you enjoyed the program. Thanks to Flute Nagaraj Talluri Garu for an excellent show. We would like to thank Sam Appalli Garu and Premila Gopu Garu for all the technical help to organize this program. Shankara Netralaya is serving the nation for the last 40 years by restoring the vision for lakhs of patients. Please visit sankaranethralaya.usa.org and donate generously. With your help, we can restore vision for many more patients. Thank you.